way that the whole thing started, I guess, for Keltic Pharma was the discovery. We found an essential protein in the parasite, but it took a number of years and a huge amount of collaboration across a large number of labs to actually validate a protein kinase called CLK3 as a valid target for an anti-malarial. From that, we then were engaged with the European Union, and they came to Glasgow and they basically said, what does it take for you to take this discovery through to a clinical candidate?
The area of malaria is an exciting time. The development of the vaccines, the implementation of the impregnated bed nets. I think when you bring these technologies all together, I think we're with a real shot of eradicating malaria.
Absolutely. We, just like everyone else, have been very excited by the progress being made around vaccines and other approaches, but Keltic Pharma as a company believe very strongly that a small molecule component of this will be and must be an important component of eventual eradication and treatment.
The concept of a single dose cure for malaria is a huge challenge. I think what we've done is broken that challenge down into kind of bite-sized chunks.
But I think also really important has been our link with Medicines for Malaria Venture and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which have offered us further funding, thankfully, to take us into lead optimization. But also it aligns the company's objectives to those which are necessary to bring an anti-malarial to the clinic. We have to produce a drug which is cheap to make. It's got to be $1 a dose. It's got to be ideally a single dose, and it's working closely with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which we're able to align our program with those criteria.
The talent pool, particularly in the central belt of Scotland, in science and executive talent, business talent, is a huge, essentially untapped resource that Keltic can make very good use of. We've started small. I think we've grown quite rapidly, partly based on our ability to attract that talent into the company. We've been on a really interesting, exciting journey in terms of medicinal chemistry, taking a hit compound, developing that through hit to lead, and now progressing into lead optimization.